Hey guys, welcome to Spice and Rice. So we are all loaded to go to Switzerland. Switzerland of America, of course. That's
Hey guys, we are in Durango again, going to John Pierre's for pastries, and then heading to Ouray for Daddy Jio's trip. The French baker. Traditionally, John Pierre is closed, and so we're going to Cold Stone. By the way, my outfit of the day. Here at Cold Stone.
To show you the outfit of the day is right here.
With my Kate Spade camera bag. And then we got Cold Stone. So this is the banana caramel crunch. I like the bananas. I think it's on the sweeter side. We are at Lake Andrews and we are on our way to Ouray. Let me show you around. It's quite a small lake, but it has a backdrop of mountains. There's a couple of people who are fishing. We are on the route to Ouray, and let me show you the waterfall behind. Here's a view, and then here's the view. And that's the waterfall. Baby Jio and Daddy Jio are eating cherries.
Yeah.
Californian cherries.
Now we're going to see the Bear Creek Falls.
This is so scary. It's a cliff.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
What is this? That's the Bear Creek Falls.
Daddy Jio is eating the food I prepared, even though last time I was like, we will not prepare because Daddy Jio must eat hot food. Because he's starving.
Secretary, can you please get me a Coke as well? Did you close the car door, by the way? But good job preparing so far.
You're not a movie star.
Tom Cruise Gio.
In Unit 7. It's very beautiful inside, very cute. A table, couch, TV, fireplace, spiral staircase. Up there is another bedroom, small kitchenette with small fridge. Grandpa Gio is checking things out because he plans to cook. And then we have a tiny bathroom here. We have two twin-size beds. We have a king-size bed, and then we have very steep staircases that lead upstairs. Okay. Wow. There's some moonroof. Wow, very pretty. And up here is another bedroom, and they even have another bathroom. Hey guys! We are in Ouray. And there are hot springs over here, or at least there's one hot spring, and I'm excited to go. Okay, now we are heading out. Oh, creepy stairs. This is our patio, and it has a view of an amazing view with a waterfall. Yes, and that's why they kept the windows big on that side. And Baby Jio, she's carrying a camera.
She wants to do photography.
Oh, it's veterinarian Dr. Arya Anand, photographer. Avid.
Bow.
Boo.
Papa? Say Papa.
Boo. So welcome to day 2 of our trip to Ouray. We are going on a Jeep tour today. So that will be a 4-hour trek around Ouray. So we'll see that. Eating breakfast right now, and this is Daddy Jio and Baby Jio eating eggs, day-old pizza, and that's bread, peanut butter, and bananas. And Baby Jio is eating not ice cream. Oh, with her one foot up.
Oh. The intention is to come on top of the table.
Hey guys, so we just finished breakfast and prepared to leave, and now we are heading for our Jeep tour. The team is coming.
We are in the beautiful mountain town of Ouray. We are going to check out the Box Cannon Falls. Of course, we are not going to ice climb because we are not well versed with it and the weather is not right. But Ouray is also famous for ice climbing.
Hey guys, we are at Box Canyon Springs and we are getting our tickets. I think the tickets, they used to be $6. It's gonna be majestic. And we can see, I believe, 1 or 2 waterfalls.
You can hear it.
You can hear it. And there's Baby Jio and her Poco.
Is the sunshade blocking her view around or no?
No.
Okay.
You can see through it.
Okay.
Look at the stirrups.
Oh. Ooh.
Is it too much for the stirrups?
But the shoes might be too much, I don't know. fine. She's not complaining.
Okay. Well, she wouldn't complain in this thing because she likes it.
Aye.
Aye.
Oh, my Chandru Mondru ji.
Daddy Jio is already getting excited.
And as you can tell, Mama Jio is not excited at all.
Daddy Jio? My excitement comes from domestic stuff.
Oh, yes. Doing the secretary stuff.
Yes,
right?
you know that secretary stuff. And Daddy Jio's excitement for the Poco, he forgot. There's a lot of low overhangs. Can you even hear me? It's so loud over here with the splashing waterfalls. And Daddy Jio is so inconvenienced by the Pogo, which he was so excited to wear. I thought I was gonna fall on one of the stairs. It was so scary and slippery too. We are in a cave now. But there's more to do, so come along. So one thing that I would say being married to Ankit has changed my life for is that we do much more road trips. My parents don't like to travel as much, and so this is definitely a change for me. Fox Canyon Falls. Go Daddy. I'm winded. I need a breather. Let's go up to the canopy. We are going into a tunnel. I'm so scared. I'm walking on cliffs. Look at this. Just a fall away from death. So we're heading through downtown Ouray, which is Main Street mostly. Hotel Ouray, Ouray Brewery, Rockin' Ranch, High Country Eatery, Lifestyles, oh leathers, I'm sorry, Swiss store. Okay, we just walked like 6 miles to get to this Jeep tour. It's 82 degrees, I'm sweating.
So we are currently going in the San Juan scenic Jeep tours, and this is the city of Ouray, right here.
We are at 12,200 feet, and let me show you the view around. it was a very bumpy ride, and I was scared several times of falling off the edge. Now the tour guide, he was saying that he also drives limousines for Telluride, and he once drove Oprah and her entourage, so that was very exciting. She's built.
This is the beautiful town of Ouray down there.
We just finished our Jeep tour. It was amazing. Pete was an amazing tour guide. Anyways, we are going to get Grandpa Jio a burrito, and we are also going to get Daddy Jio huckleberry ice cream. It's his favorite of all time.
How does Baby Jio feel?
She looks excited.
Oh, she's so cute.
Hey guys, we are in Telluride right now. We are going on the gondola. Now houses over here go for about $2 to $3 million for the smaller ones, and some of the bigger ones are like 7 to 8 million. And of course, there are like $30 million houses here. I think Ralph Lauren also lives here. There's the Telluride, San Sofia and Mountain Village station. Oh, we have a accordion going on over here. Heading up on top of the gondola. We are in Telluride and we just got done with the gondola, and so we're heading back home.